Hey, sir, you road trip ready? It snowed tonight? Frosty the snowman didn't make it to see us today. He might have came up here so far away, but when I came, he didn't stay. That's it for 2024. Woo! Railing. All right. See what the rust proof does? Protects the truck. Gets you dirty. There we are. Fuel pump down. I mean, the gas is high enough where it wouldn't burn a pump. It's just got almost, I think it's got 200,000 now. So it's time to go. Oh, it looks like the Delphi. Let me see. Nope. This one's better. Yep. Right, 9 o'clock at night. Back on that Chevy 2009 LBZ Duramax. Customer needed a fuel pump assembly for the tank, he said. Well, that's what I got. That's not the issue. No fuel pressure because this has an injection pump. Even I didn't know about. We got a lift pump. This doesn't have a lift pump. Got the fuel pump assembly, and it doesn't have the pump inside as I first inspected. So now we know it's not fuses. It's the actual lift pump itself. So I guess I'll have to be back on this one. They want $2,700 for just the job. Well, I'll be back. This is 3.5 hours away. All right. Yes, sir. 9 o'clock at night. Got here at 7. I got it running. I did 14 different tests on it. Boom. Got the injection pump to work again. Oh yeah, baby. Happiness. Yeah, she run. That's how all my tools look when I leave. That's how dirty I am always. At 6.6, baby. LBZ. Got it. I do all the work on this. And if it was the lift pump, like I said, everything has to come off. On the injection pump, I mean. This one don't have a lift pump, so it'd have been a big job to come back down, and I would have, but I got it. She cries at night. She doesn't think that I can feel that she tries. And she tries to hide all the fear she feels inside. So I pray this time. I'm looking around saying, for me. Nobody's listening. Are you wanting them to help? Well, dude, if you did, they're gonna leave you in your help. One time or another, you showed your shine.